Hey everybody, so I got a quick, I'm not really sure if you'd call it a tool haul, but I got an item from Amazon. I was requested to do a review on an item. I told them yeah, so please stick around, check out the video, and we'll talk about it more. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so I got sent an email from, a random person from China asking for a review on Amazon. Now, I don't normally review very many items from these sellers. I've reviewed a few. I've reviewed some LED light, strip lights. I've reviewed some electronics. A lot of what they request me to review is like jade rollers, female feminine hygiene items. I don't review those items. But I didn't want to go to the store, spend $25 on a pillow, and me and my wife both needed pillows because we have some really bad old pillows. So it just happened that a seller messaged me, said, hey, we would like to know if you would do a review on one of our items. And everything that he had available to review was pillows. Now, the reason I'm doing this video for you guys is not because they're pillows. Pillows have nothing to do with my channel, but I like how they were packaged. I thought it was kind of neat, so I figured I'd show you guys. So the company is S-Sup Clean. Now, I already removed one of them just because I was curious. So, 2 pillows came in this bag. You can see that there's a spot missing out of the bag. Now, what I think is neat is that they fit 2 king-size pillows. It's a king-size pillow. So, let me move the camera. Show you how big it is. They vacuum sealed them in this plastic wrap. Now, I already removed one out of the plastic wrap, and it's sitting right here. And it's actually quite fluffy. It is, according to their label, it's a premium pillow set. They sent me the money to my PayPal. I paid for the pillows through the money they sent me. I didn't actually spend a dime of my own money on them. Now, just looking at the quality of these pillows, the fact that they came in a small zip-up bag like this, I thought it was pretty nice. I actually don't think that I would mind spending $43 or $46 of my own money to get another set of these 2 pillows. Now, I can do a long-term review if you guys would like me to come back in like a year and tell you how the pillows are holding up. If that's what you guys want, let me know down below in the comments. But here's the first pillow. It's already puffed up. It's got nice stitching that I can tell. Let me move the light. It has nice stitching. I'm not seeing any frayed stitching like on that green jacket I got for review. And that jacket is a big problem. I might do another video about that particularly because it's completely falling apart. But I don't see anything wrong with the stitching on the pillow. Everything looks nice. It is labeled Sup Clean on the label on the pillow. And they're not overly firm, but they're not soft either. And I notice, I think there's like some kind of memory foam in here because it automatically puffs back up. So put this pillow back here. And this one, you can see it's suction down. Let me go grab my knife. I figured I opened one off camera. I'll open this one on camera. Around. Pull the bag off, and it started puffing up. I think it's pretty neat that 2 king-size pillows came in something that was the size of what you would think would be a regular size pillow. And they look like decent pillows. So I don't want to make the video too long. And this is exactly what from the previous video, my TIG Torch mini Pyrex cup kit came in. It was sliding around the bottom of the box, and this was on top. And the box was actually too big for the pillows to begin with. But I think there's 2 decently made king pillows. I guess we'll see how they hold up over time. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.